Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Seaside Linen Cargo Pants and Heartopia Color Wheels event for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to go to the Whalefall Canyon, and then you're going to open up this menu, the Whalefall Canyon event, and then you need to level up your Whalefall Canyon level guys. You need to reach level level 7 to unlock this reward. The reward is Seaside Linen Cargo Pants. This one, I've already unlocked it. If you want to level up your Whalefall Canyon level, guys, just keep exploring the Whalefall Canyon and clear the pollutants. You can also collect the resources like glasswort, and then the wakame, and also the sea grape. You can also complete the Whalefall Canyon daily quest to earn more exploration. So yeah, just keep doing the ocean cleanup hobby to increase your level, and when you reach level 8 you will get this reward, the Seaside Linen Cargo Pants. Okay guys, and sorry, not level 8 guys, but level 7. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Seaside Linen Cargo Pants in Heartopia Color Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.